lot of times trucks have a lot of torque, and especially if it's an automatic. Dude, we're screwed. Which actually, it is an automatic, so we're kind of
Yeah, I doubt that truck's manual.
How do you want to do it?
I don't know.
Yeah, has air intakes and exhaust, so that's it. Yep.
Just go on the highway.
It's about 350 horsepower, so.
Go that way.
That way?
Down.
Okay, that works.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Hey, I finally saw you guys do rear quarter panel.
Yeah, dude, it's pretty nice, right?
I talked to you forever ago on my Fiesta.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why I recognized it.
Yeah, it was the previous owner. They went drifting, and they hit the quarter panel, and it was actually really funny because they got it all fixed and it was good to go. The issue is they went drifting again, and they hit the exact same spot. So there's all this there's a whole bunch of Bondo that's broken and chipped and stuff. So I finally had the time to get it taken care of. I'm gonna paint it. Yeah, it still needs a little bit more Bondo work done to it, and then we can finally paint it. But I just did this as a temporary thing. So there's like a few little low spots to it, but other than that, it's. Yep. Oh yeah.
They probably fixed that.
Yeah. It drives in a straight line, no problem. So, yep.
Do we go from a stop or a roll?
Hey, it doesn't matter either one.
We'll do both.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
The man has lights in his wheel wells.
Yep.
That is weird. But I guess on a truck, it's kind of hard to have bottom neon lights.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of higher.
It's a little bit on the higher side.
Alright, this is going to be fun.
What's that?
So I'm telling everybody to use this.
He has a hand up.
I don't know what they're going.
I think it's 50.
See, I don't like those lights. Makes the truck look cool.
Let's go!
Let's go! Heard some extra noise. Now you're changing. Let's go!
Let's go!
They pulled away for just a second. Wow. That was awesome.
Oh man.
Yes. That was with the crafty.
Open the door. Open the door.
My radar was going off,
Oh, was it?
but we're good now.
All right, man.
Let's do a dig.
All right.
What's it dig?
It means stop. So let's see. Oh, gosh dang it. Oh, dude, it's traction control. Yeah.
Traction control.
Sorry about
Gotcha.
that. All right.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Dang it. They got me there.
Yeah, it just has a ton more acceleration.
Dude, he's got probably all-wheel drive too, or four-wheel drive.
Yeah. Like that.
Trust me, I know. Traction control's on. Yeah. What's that? All right.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
They got a diesel.
It's way faster than us. Can't even keep up. Can't do it, man. Can't do it from the stop.
Yeah, because, you know, trucks are made for hauling stuff.
Yes, sir.
This is not.
What do I call it? What's that? Oh, was there? Alright. You guys have a good night, alright? Yeah, it was good federation.
So how do you think that sounds on your phone?
Oh, I'll bet it sounds awesome. Probably nothing crazy.
That still sounds pretty good even here. Lost the dig.
I lost a dig. I did.
That was kind of expected.
I lost.
But you do pretty good.
Dude, when we did the from a roll,
Yeah.
we did win on that one. That was good. We did win from a roll. Issue was going from a dig because he's got automatic and
Yeah, you
he's got
gotta.
all-wheel drive. I was just spinning the tires. It's so cold, you can't really get any traction. So
Yeah, probably not the best day to do that.
no, not at all. And even if it was a good day to do it, I still wouldn't have near as much traction as he does because we were really evenly matched, like extremely evenly matched as far as getting up to speed and stuff. Probably the biggest difference is that I was more aerodynamic than he was.
Oh, yeah.
When I was getting up to speed, because you think when you're going that fast,